Dahan-dahan lang kitang
It's also a scary thing to open your vulnerable state to everyone kasi parang nagka-anxiety po ako that time na first time in my life na I could not even look at people in the eye. Konting open lang na mask, parang oh my God, I feel so naked, I feel so seen. Ayoko niyan. So lagi ako naka-cap and mask and hoodie.
Something triggered her.
Nasa elevator kami galing ganap. Na-trigger siya. Tapos parang ako pa yung may hawak sa kanya nun eh. Sobrang natatakot ako nung time na yun kasi sobrang diin na nung hawak niya sa akin nun. Tapos parang di niya na nakokontrol yung sarili niya.
Ate Aya, I think she's doing better now. And I hope that she realizes rin na she's not alone in this.